Hi, another unboxing video. Today I have a Shimano Stella C3000FJ. The ultimate evolution of front drag reels. As you can see, it's a nice box. Let's open it. First we see this beautiful Stella bag. Beneath are some spare parts and paperwork. Now let's take a peek at the Stella reel. This is the handle. And the reel. It looks amazing, so beautiful. It's the best looking reel I have ever seen. Japanese know how to make the best reels in the world. Price is expensive, but it's worth it. Ultimate evolution. With unparalleled smoothness, Stella runs silent and strong in all conditions. With additional features like improved hand gearing, micro module 2, silent drive, and the new coil track system. The result is the best reel Shimano has ever produced. The new flagship front drag reels for both fresh and saltwater conditions. Medium sizes like 3000, ideal for all-round predator angling. I can't wait for my first fishing with this new Shimano Stella 3000FJ reel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.